Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott OES Front magnetic struts for various GM SUVs, short wheelbase, and long wheelbase GMT9xx with Magneride. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Struts stored in one position, static, for an extended period can cause the magnetic fluid to separate into its constituent materials. This can cause the damper to seem as if it is stiff or seized. This is to be expected and completely normal. The shock will function as intended once in use. Start the removal process by raising the vehicle and removing the applicable front wheel to expose the front coil strut. Then lift the hood to expose the top of the coil strut. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector. After disconnecting the electrical connector, remove the 3 wire clips and top mounting nuts. Now remove the lower 2 mounting bolts and loosen the sway bar end-link hardware. Make sure you do not remove it, but only loosen it. You can now carefully remove the coil strut from the vehicle. The following removal steps require the use of a spring compressor tool. Release the clip and remove the top electrical connector and shock rod stem. Continue by compressing the coil spring and removing the top shock rod nut. Remove the top mount plate, offset plate, and rubber isolator. You are now ready to carefully release the spring pressure and remove the coil spring, spacer washer, and bump stop. Assembly and installation of the new shock is in the reverse order of disassembly and removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. To ensure proper mounting, position the T-bar on top of the control arm. Thank you for following our guide on installing the Arnott front magnetic struts for various GM SUVs. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system.